I am super excited. I just got this polymer clay in the mail, so I'm going to unbox it for you so you can see what's in it. And then I will do another video where we put it together. So it comes with like a double layered box. I opened the bottom one too, so you can see the bottom layer just has extra clay colors in it. But the top one has a little spatula, I'm guessing for scooping when it's hot. There are also little accessory things for like hairpins and earrings, so that's nice. Here's a little clay mold so that you can mold it. And an instruction manual, which is definitely needed. So inside it shows you all the things that come in the kit, but also different ways to set them up. So we have the oven bacon method, we have the using a hair dryer, a boiling method, and then step-by-step instructions on each of those. And there are also different things that you can make with this clay. You can make ornaments or earrings or make a hairpin, and it just shows you how to attach the accessories to those. And then here are just some examples of, you know, crabs, penguins, houses, people, however, like just some different ideas to get your creative imagination going. Okay, and then in it, there are a couple of things of tools, which is appreciated in case you have more than one person working on stuff, and a lot of different options on tool sizes and shapes, and then lots of different colors. So what I appreciate is that there's a couple different pinks, there's a couple greens, there's a couple dark greens, so that when you're using this, if you wanted to make multiple things, then you have different options and colors. And if two people wanted to make something similar, you have similar color options. So I will go ahead and make these, and I will make another video on how it works.